Hello everyone, my name is Melanie Nohrer and I will be presenting my collaborative technology plan. Introduction. We are called the Virginia School District and our cause is to convert into a one-on-one school district system where all students, staff, and faculty will take full-on advantage to further progress on overall achievement, productivity, and implement change within technological advances. Who are we? Committee members and roles. It is crucial that such committee encompasses that of a variety of members from different constituencies such as district, elementary school, middle school, high school, PTA, and student body alike. The broad variety of our members also ensures that all different viewpoints from each can be heard and addressed appropriately in all areas of the school district. Our mission is to research, implement, and offer the best technological equipment and advances for all of its students, staff, and faculty in order to reach academic success. Our vision is simple. It is to be able to offer the best technological resources to all students alike within our district so that they may be equipped with the right tools that will lead them on into their future endeavors towards the community. Value statement and core beliefs. We have 3 of them. Number 1, technology will complement a student's ability in academia so that they may expand on their work easily and more efficiently. Number 2, faculty members will be actively trained in all technological equipment and areas needed for their curriculum. And number 3, technological usage in the classroom will be encouraged as means of communication, engagement, and interaction. SMART goal number 1, this is the only one I will be talking about today in terms of time. It's dealing with infrastructure and learning spaces, including broadband and Wi-Fi. This is important to mention because it is our main goal to fund, deliver, and install all the equipment on time within a 5-month deadline in order to reach our goals when it comes to standardized testing for our students. Now, I do want to go back and mention within this goal the 21st century learning skills. Excuse me. Communication is a 21st century learning skill that coincides with this SMART goal number 1 in regards to the enhanced broadband and Wi-Fi. Students need a learning space that is approachable and inviting, equipped with the necessary resources for academia, and completely useful in terms of maintenance. This will allow the opportunity to succeed by utilizing these areas as needed. I do want to mention briefly again our ISTE standards. And we have the standards for this SMART goal number 1 for administrators, teachers, and students alike. I will briefly mention 2 for the teachers, such as model digital age work and learning, and number 2, engage in professional growth and leadership. One sample for the student ISTE standard is communication and collaboration, critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. And last but not least, policies and regulations. I do want to mention that these are included in our collaborative technology plan, such as the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, the Acceptable Responsible Use policies, and the Children's Internet Protection Acts and E-rates. So we do take full consideration of these policies within our technology plan. Thank you so much for spending some time with me with my technology plan, and I hope to hear back from all of you soon.